area is going to be able to handle this. I hope we will skip to have another catastrophic winter, they called it. That was the last time, 78, 79, with even, yeah, a lot more than this. But we will see. There is more announced for tomorrow. So we'll see what is coming. I love you. I hope you enjoy this side.